Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback. I posted this idea previously on August the 14th. And it says rising wedge, 68% chance that this breaks to the downside. It all started here. Now, we obviously know what's happened to the price of Bitcoin. Since I posted this exact idea right here, Bitcoin has seen tremendous amounts of downside. Then you had this back test of resistance, bearish retest, boom, another drive lower. Price action is in this falling wedge, and this is a downtrend. However, there's a 68% chance that this breaks to the upside. So do you get a move back up here to about 22,000? If you take the measured move of this idea, and let's say it breaks out somewhere in this area, you could see 23,500. Now, we're going to talk about some important news that's coming out from the US government and a lot of different global economies around the world. That's important to pay attention to. However, we're going to trade the charts and we're going to be successful based on these ideas. But you need to understand the underlying economic ideas in the world. On August the 24th, I posted this in group, and sometimes people need this. Bitcoin unable to break overhead resistance. So the bias is the price moves to the downside. The bias is lower. If it doesn't do that, you just long the crap out of it, right? So the most important thing is when the TA is not respected, you go big because it's a fake out. Everybody gets tracked. That did not happen here. So you've got the price action towards the apex of this falling wedge, which is supposed to break higher. Previously, you had these previous lows. There's a bunch of buyers down here at about 19,600, 18,800. There's a bunch of buyers right here. So on a breakout, do you get a move above this resistance? You've been in this broadening channel for an extended period of time. You do not want to see a breakdown of this level. Otherwise, you're looking for drastically lower prices out of Bitcoin, right? So just use Bitcoin for the signals. That's all I'm looking at Bitcoin for. I want to trade the altcoins. Bitcoin, 1 hour chart. On the 14th, I said, hey, I need help posting shorts. Everybody, these shorts are going to play out. And when was that? That's August the 15th. August, here it is. August the 15th. And what happened? This market is not difficult to trade, but you need understand how it works, and you need to be able to trade these short coins. Make a VIP Kucoin account and trade these 3x shorts with us. Now, there's bullish divergence. So here's your low. This is a lower low. On the RSI, this is a low. This is a higher low. Okay, so there's bounce ideas in this area. The weekend, a lot of people would argue that, hey, there's some scamming price action in the weekend, but the cycle top for the previous bull market is down here, right around 18,800, 19,600. So all the buyers are stacked right here. This thing breaks out higher. You're looking for some upside out of Bitcoin and the altcoins. The most important thing about a bear market is it will drag you if you're a holder. You will lose interest and you will give up on this market. You've got to understand that you can make money trading both ways in this market. And I can help you with that. I've got some amazing shout outs I want to give in my trading group. This person, she made about $50,000. She paid $16,000 for 2 years of college, got her bachelor's of commerce degree. She had been in the group for about 10 months and she had no idea what she was doing. This person, I've got so many people coming back to the group. It's crazy. Started with $100. He paid for his knee reconstruction and rehab, and he had enough money left over to keep trading. I said, how much is that? Turned $100 into $2,000. That's 20x. And paid for knee surgery. This person in the Ukraine, getting devastated by Russia. Been in your trading group more than a year. Things have been going steadily well. I've managed to put myself in the 7-digit club. I'm printing this out. I'm putting it on my wall with these testimonies because this is what drives me. I don't do this every day because I need to. I do this for you, period. If you need help trading this market, I can help you. Banger Central. Every day, we're nailing the bangers, period. 16%, 21%, 23%, 57%, 39%, 19%. We're giving 60% off and an additional $100 discount to get you in the group today. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. I can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. U.S. stock market yesterday lost $1.25 trillion. Well, Fed Chief Jerome Powell came in and he said, hey, this is a stern commitment to halting inflation. He said the central bank is going to continue raising interest rates in a way that will cause some pain to the U.S. economy. They are not lightening up. They're not going to be dovish. They're going to be hawkish. And they're going to continue to raise the rates. And this does not help Bitcoin, and it does not help the stock market. We're serious about stopping inflation. Sometimes in life, you need a voice of reason. So on the 25th of August, I said, hey, and ETH was running out of room. I posted an E short setup. I said, hey, put your stops in place. Like, this doesn't look good. I don't feel good about this. Obviously, ETH got wrecked at that point. I've got this standing desk. I'm super excited about this because this gives me hopefully the ability to heal as far as my TMJ goes. Standing up right now and recording a video, just trying to get my life back. Sometimes I feel guilty that you guys aren't making enough money if I'm not making these videos. And you guys know that I'm passionate about your success. You keep me going. I always like to hear, I read every DM, I read every message. I may not always be able to message back, but you guys keep me in this. This market, the bear market, will destroy most people. So here's the ETH short setup, ETH rising wedge, running out of room. I've got so many amazing traders in the group that I trained. Con opened this ETH short based on the exact same idea and killed it. Look, go to ETH real quick. Look, ETH. He had all this downside just on a 3x short. You would have made 40% profit on one trade. Got to learn to trade this market both ways, and I will help you. I'm making a completely new video series on this idea. I'm going to dominate this market. I don't care if it's green or if it's red. We're making money trading both ways. Now, Ethereum, this is important. Pay attention. Ethereum is in this falling wedge. It has a lot of news, but we said, hey, Bitcoin is the driver. So this is essentially going to follow Bitcoin, and it has. So here's your falling wedge. Price action continues in the pattern until it doesn't. 58% chance this breaks to the upside. Measured move up here. Right, you just pull the measured move. If it breaks out in this level, you're looking for 18,060. There's so much news on Ethereum. Now it's at the lower trend line, at this previous support level. The bulls need a bounce here. You've got bullish divergence on the RSI possible, on the histogram possible. You're about to get a bullish MACD cross possible, and you're looking for upside based on this idea. And the hype proof of stake rally is in store. If the Ethereum bulls lose this level, you're going to see tremendous downside, period, because, Bitcoin's just getting devastated. So understand your buy ideas would be based on zooming into the slower term time frames. Find a falling wedge in here on the 1 hour, the 30-minute chart, and start your trade there. Get to this upper trend line and it's not breaking out, you close your trade and you'll wait to the move lower. Learn how to trade these ranges. This is not difficult. If you can read a map, you can do this. That's all there is to it. I've got kids in the group, amazingly good at trading this market. Get your kids involved. Have your kids watch my videos. Have your family involved. Make flashcards. Understand these ideas. Kids are like sponges. They will feed on the information that we give them. They have a ton of upside just as a person. You know, like the most important investment you can make is in yourself and obviously in your children. They have more upside than Bitcoin or Ethereum, or I mean, you create your own reality, period. So understand what Ethereum has to do to break out, see some upside continuation to get to about 1867. This is what we said would call the move. ES1, S&P E-mini futures. We talk about this every day, ES1. We said that the bulls need a bounce here for another test of this upper trend line. But you can see that they lost the support level. You got shoulder, head, shoulder. I mean, potentially you could see a move way down here. There's a lot more downside possible. The Fed is going to keep raising the rates. This is not amazing for crypto. Continue to lose these levels. There's so much downside possible. Down here at this lower trend line, there's so much downside possible over time. We're looking at one of the worst economic situations that could happen probably in most of our lifetimes. Jerome Powell had this speech on Friday, August the 22nd. It wasn't amazing. He's like, hey, we're hawkish. We're going to keep raising these rates, period. The next decade, China comes out. China's in so much trouble. There was a huge real estate company. They were selling Chinese real estate that doesn't even exist yet. Then they went belly up. Came out and they said, hey, this next decade is going to be very painful historical period. As the economy continues to decline, the panic situation has impacted things, and obviously the war problems with the United States and China. And Hawaii came out and said, hey, we just are trying to survive. And that's like any Bitcoin downtrend. Bitcoin downtrends are for survival. If you're in this market, you don't know what you're doing, you're not a great trader. You just want to survive the downtrends so you have the capital to trade the uptrends. Chinese economy is in so much trouble. The United States, the politicians are saying, no, we're not in a recession, even though the definition of a recession is 2 quarters with a decline in GDP, which the US has experienced. But they're saying, no, this isn't the case. They're changing the definition all of a sudden. Little things, little reminders every day in the trading group. Hey, the bias is lower. The Bitcoin bulls can't show up and pull off a miracle. The bias is lower. People need this. And that's why we're so successful in the trading group. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.